few minutes for it to cool down. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be baking banana bread and shortbread cookies. So you guys should come along with me as we bake together. So guys, we have let me start from here. We have sugar in this container, we have flour in this container, Vicks bowl, baking powder, milk, butter, and this measuring cup. That is what we're going to be using today. Start by mixing the butter.
Your window looking up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught inside a loop where I can get to your heart, get to your heart. Ooh, you're letting your fears take hold, let them take control, and it's making me crazy.
So I have mixed this well. At this point, I am just smashing the banana so we can use it to bake, and at the same time I was trying to melt butter that we're going to mix into the banana. 2 eggs. Get what we want. So I am going to mix in the melted butter with the banana, milk, and then mix together before I mix my dry ingredients in a separate bowl, and we can get to baking. Guys, I have to add more milk because the one I added before is not enough. Guys, I'm not perfect. Try with me. Because I just realized that I don't buy anything for pieces. Maybe we should have bought a 99 syrup. At this point, I'm basically kneading the dough to get what I really want. This is chronicles of not having a rolling pin, so I just have to basically use my hand and the knife to cut out the shapes, and using the fork to get that shortbread look, so it can look more, you know, can look more like it. And then we go over to baking.
Doesn't matter what I do, she's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes.
Guys, so it's about 30 minutes after, but I've been trying to check it, and in the process I changed the position of the cookies because it was so close to the fire down, and in the process some of the cookies smashed, but like it's fine. We just want to eat it at home, so let me just bring it as now so we all can finally see what we are preparing.
And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms.
So that's what I was talking about. Some of them got smashed, but like let's wait for a few minutes for it to cool down while I wait for the bread to bake also. Before we taste it, I'm tired. Anyways, see you guys later.
Till the sun comes up, she's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down.
Time to taste. The shortbread cookies was a 6/10 for me because it was with a little bit sugary. The banana bread is 8/10, so it's really nice. I like that.
Went for a walk with the stars last night. Did not believe that I would.
Guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe, comment, like and share. Till next time, bye guys.